So hello guys, I am going now to two or three or one slide. I'm going to slide.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna slide with my son. He literally forced me into it because I'm so scared of the slide. But I want to try it with him. So let's go and see how it goes with me. Pray for me. Pray for the mama. Actually, it's lucky he just found one of this. Because I don't know how it's gonna be. Just pray for me because I'm scared right now. I'm already scared going with him.
You guys, we are going out with this slide.
Okay. Okay, I'm at the back. But actually, we have to hold something, so we're gonna make a video.
I can work it one
How is it like?
Guys, ready, let's So that was the first. So guys, so guys, mommy, that was the first slide. Okay,
That was very fun.
I told you. So now let's go to the second slide. So guys, this slide was dark, but I'm 100% sure this one will not be so dark. Believe me. This one will be even more cool, mommy.
So guys, we're going to the second one, and this one is so gonna be cool because the first one I enjoyed it, but this one actually said it's longer, but we want to see how it goes. Pray for me.
So guys, now we are done. And mommy, here is something. Here we can choose our emoji. Which one are you taking? Fire! Okay, so let's go. Guys, we are dancing. Yeah! No, it sucks. Guys, what is... Guys, look at the front. Wow. Oh, we are stuck.
Guys, that was amazing. Did you have fun, Ashley?
Yes.
I did. I felt it. Guys, right now, Ashley is gonna make a race with me. There is another one that is for race. It's for normally three people. Should we add Emily to it?
Okay.
That's why Ashley family is gonna join us, guys. Let's go. Yeah, there is a slide for three people, and we need you.
Please.
Super! She's on the end, guys, so we're gonna do that.
Because in the battle, I will win against you and Heaven.
I trust you're gonna win. I trust you're gonna win. Heaven, are you ready? She looks so ready. She's even running. I think she's gonna win, guys. Heaven is just going to win. Look at the way she's running there. So who is in the middle?
You.
Who's in the middle?
No.
Why me?
Because then it will be got.
Guys, I'm taking the middle. Put me in the middle. I am showing me here.
It's almost guys, it's going. Guys. Go! Guys! 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 Guys, I'm here! I'm here, guys! Hand is at the front! What? Hand is at the front! Hand is at the front!